Thanks, Brian, and thanks to everybody for joining us today. Just give me a quick moment here while I pull up the presentation.
Sounds
Everybody
good.
can see the screen okay? Great. So Smartricity is a smart industrial electric motor and software clean tech company. We were established in 2016. Through disruptive electric motor and software technology, our highly reliable and ultra-efficient electric motors will drastically reduce emissions, waste, and industrial carbon footprint for a smarter, cleaner, and more sustainable future. A good way to think about us is we take sexy EV tech and apply it to the impactful archaic industrial world. While everyone is focused on the electrification of vehicles, e-mobility, and aerospace, the industrial world has been forgotten. The fact is, industry is a higher contributor to GHGs, pollution, global energy consumption. With the demand expected to double in the next 20 years, it is the most important sector for improvement. Our motors are built using switch reluctance motor technology, SRMs, and are underlining true prescriptive maintenance SmartShield software. We target critical applications where our motor can make the biggest impact on asset uptime availability, greenhouse gas savings, and eliminating costly downtime. The team at Smartricity has spent years understanding electric motors and their applications, and this knowledge and experience allows us to develop truly game-changing motor solutions. SRM technology is unique in that it's drastically more reliable due to its simple, robust, and low-cost construction. It has traditional coils on the stator, no conductors on the rotor, no brushes or commutators, and does not use permanent magnets when compared to traditional AC/DC motor designs. Our smart motors use no rare earth metals, making them drastically more sustainable and supply chain risk adverse. When removing these pain points from the existing design, we reduce the weight and create significant improvements to performance and efficiencies. Our underlying proprietary SmartShield motor software enables true prescriptive maintenance, smart monitoring, and advanced data analytics via the cloud. Our AI-based machine learning fault detection algorithms can predict failures in motors 30 days in advance with 98% accuracy. SmartShield is inherently integrated into all of our new motors and available as a retrofit solution using existing sensor hardware readily available in the market. Our flagship motor for the renewables industry is our Ventium Pitch SRM. The pitch systems in onshore and offshore wind turbines are one of the biggest contributors to turbine downtime, with studies showing over 20% of failures directly related to the pitch systems. We built these with direct input from the biggest asset owners in the industry, all of whom have had experience in pitch failure in an impactful way. We have a deep understanding of the current electric motors and understand the most common failures experienced in the field. More importantly, we understand how to solve them. Ventium is 50% lighter, 9% more efficient. It covers a range of ratings, eliminating the need for large inventory requirements, and is drastically more reliable. We have the same footprint and mounting configuration as the incumbent designs, making Ventium a drop-in replacement. Our value proposition makes Ventium a no-brainer for wind farm owners, operators, and OEM turbine manufacturers based on benefits seen from increased operational efficiency, reduced downtime, improved reliability, and massive GHG cost savings. We have addressed each pain point carefully in the current system, making Ventium the most versatile and reliable wind pitch motor on the market. It doesn't stop there. SRM motors are controlled with advanced power electronics, replacing frequently problematic and traditional AC/DC converters, which are used in conjunction with traditional brushed or brushless DC machines. Our Ventium pitch drive has better heat dissipation to avoid semiconductor failure due to high temperatures, better current ratings, lower stray inductance, avoids failures due to voltage spikes, electromagnetic interference, higher switching losses, and much more rugged design suitable for all weather conditions with our IP68 enclosure. The markets that our motor and software technology can directly address are massive. Although we've spent most of the time today talking about our Ventium wind pitch SRM, we are also currently in various stages of commercialization on our other highly efficient and reliable motors for solar tracking, food processing, HVAC, and mining applications. Our underlying motor software is also being implemented into multiple hardware sensor diagnostic and testing products that are readily available in the market today. Smartricity has had tremendous growth and traction over the past 6 months, particularly, securing multiple IP and partnership agreements with key partners. We have built and validated our wind pitch SRM and converter and developed a unique wind pitch testing simulator in our labs. We have and are continuing to finalize our agreements with the largest companies in the renewable space and are in early stage development directly with the turbine OEMs. We are negotiating multiple licenses and agreements for SmartShield and have successfully validated our algorithms both in field and in lab. We are weeks away from finishing our testing and validation facility here in Ontario to expand our algorithms into larger horsepower motors and new applications. We are also in development and prototyping of 6 new electric motor applications for release in 2022, again in solar, food processing, HVAC, mining, and other industrial manufacturing applications. To date, myself and my co-founder, Mike, who's also on the call, have invested over $300,000 to navigate through the initial startup and development stages. We've just recently announced the completion of our seed round, raising $1 million at a $20 million pre-money valuation for validation, testing, integration, further facility upgrades. And we're currently launching our Series A round at $7.5 to $10 million to accelerate our commercialization for our current products from strategic and value-added investors. Our plan is to raise a Series B to really amplify and rapidly expand our production, and that'll be between 30 and 50 million and expected in the first part of 2022. Thank you very much again, Brian, and everybody for your time. And if you have any questions, let us know.